Have you ever wanted to know how to turn peppers into a hot sauce like this? Well then, today's the day you find out. So to get you started, pick out your ingredients. You can copy my sauce in the video or create your own using any ingredients you'd like. For my recipe, I used 8 ounces of Chernobyl Jalapeno and 3 Sugar Rush peach peppers. You can use whatever combination you like though. Once you've got your ingredients, it's time to start the sauce. Cut all the solid ingredients into smaller pieces. It doesn't have to be the same size or look perfect. We're just making it easier to cook down. As you can see, I cut my peppers into rings, and then I dice my onion into pretty small chunks. Throw it all into a pot and add any other ingredients you have. In my case, I added a good sprinkle of salt, 2 spoonfuls of minced garlic, 1.5 cups of water, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, and 3 spoonfuls of Palisade peach powder. This was made by another YouTuber, the Chili Prepper, so his video will be linked both on screen and in the description. Make sure you check it out. Once everything's mixed in a pot, you'll want to let it simmer for 20 minutes to make sure all your ingredients are soft before they go into a blender. Once done, let the pot cool off for 10 to 15 minutes. Now that everything's cooled off, drop your mixture into a blender and let it run until everything is broken down as much as possible. While everything's blending, take a moment to leave a comment on what hot sauces you guys like. And while you're down there, I'd love to see you subscribe. I've got a goal of reaching my first 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I'd love for you all to be a part of that journey. Now, if you've got a blender with bullet cups made for smoothies, I'd recommend using that as it'll take everything to the liquid. The way I did it still leaves seeds and some pepper chunks, so you'll have to strain it, as you can see now. Once your hot sauce has been turned into a liquid, it's time to bottle it. I've got actual hot sauce bottles here, but you can put it into glass jars or Tupperware if these aren't available to you. Now that it's bottled, keep your sauce in the refrigerator when you're not using it, and use it within the first month to month and a half of making. Due to the high level of vinegar, this sauce will stay good for a decent amount of time, but I don't currently have an exact time period on its shelf life. And thank you guys for watching. If you'd like to see more of my content, feel free to click one of these videos posted on screen. And if you enjoyed, I'd appreciate it if you left a like and subscribe, as it helps me keep making these videos for everyone. I'll see you next time.